Welcome to another episode of Kim Schmidt's Brain. Today we're going to create a Microsoft Azure virtual machine. So now let's spin up an Azure virtual machine. This is Microsoft Azure's home page. You can click on Try for Free, but I already have an account, so I'm going to click there. And then go to my management portal. And filter down just to my virtual machines. So in order to create a new virtual machine, we simply click on this button, New. It's smart enough to know that it's in Compute, Virtual Machine. I already went over what From Gallery means, so we'll do a quick create. And let's call this the Kim Schmidt. Kim Schmidt's. Is that going to work? Yes. So Kim Schmidt's, and notice that the DNS name is appended with .cloudapp.net. So that's the URL where this is going to be. Next, you choose your image, and we're going to keep it at Windows Server 2012. And then you choose the configuration of your processor and your memory. Right here, it's asking for the username of your Azure account, so I'll type mine in. And the reason this next field says new password is because it's not the password for your Azure account. It's a password unique to this virtual machine that we're spinning up. Next, you choose your region or affinity group, and I'm going to choose East US, and then click on Create a Virtual Machine. Now you can see that's spinning up right now, but I want to show you something on an existing virtual machine. So this virtual machine, I have configured to monitor some metrics, such as CPU use percentage, disk read write, network in, network out, and that's really useful information because depending on what you see here, you might want to make tweaks to your configuration. So let's go back here. And once your virtual machine is running, you highlight it and you click on this handy button, Connect. So it's giving you a message that it's downloading an RDP file. Now you can notice here that it didn't ask you for a private key. Microsoft handles that for you. So that could be a good thing or a bad thing, but it's something to consider when choosing your cloud provider. Once you have it downloaded, you double click it and you get this window, say Connect. And you're presented with the security logon. So you put in your account name, and then you put in the password that you chose for this particular virtual machine. And then you click OK. And you can see it's configuring Windows Server 2012. And you're brought to the Server Manager by default. You can see that we are indeed RDP'd into that virtual machine that we named. And from here, from the comfort of your office or home, you can do more configuration like adding roles and adding servers, etc. So you will end up with 3 of these that you might have to go into services and just start a stopped service. But that's all that you really need to do. So this is how you remote desktop into your virtual machine in the cloud on Azure. Thank you for watching this episode of Kim Schmidt's Brain. You can always contact me for consulting at kimschmidt101@gmail.com. Thank you.